Hey guys, welcome back to another video from SupraLite. Today we're going to be doing the review on the Riccar SupraLite R10E from Riccar. If you didn't know, this is kind of like Riccar's lowest end SupraLite. But seriously, it still performs as good as their $2,000 over vacuums. If I do it like this, I only had the same bag for a couple months from our clean carpets that we vacuum almost every day. Picked up this much debris. And I'm not joking. That much debris. That's impressive. So back to the performance. One thing that I don't like about this vacuum, I'm going to show you. When I turn it on like this and don't so can you come up closer for the, I like it, but when there's like the cord or something, so I'm gonna let it go by itself now. 3, 2, 1. A little clean pass, very clean. A little information of the vacuums in the little back. My first vacuum bought almost 3 years ago, or maybe 4. Bissell Power Room. I have 8 vacuums, not just 3. Almost buying me a 4th. And yeah, so just so you know, if you're wondering, like my Bissell Power Room video, if it needs tools. If it needs tools, no. You just press on these little 2 tap. Wham, bam. Come on. Very high quality for the base plate. Parna cardboard. I don't know how to pronounce it. You can just clean it. Just like that. Or is this a cleaning video instead of a vacuum video? Nope. Still vacuum video, just cleaning. Wonder how fast it goes? I can show you. I'm not sure if I can do this. Actually, I'm kind of scared, so. Nice. Wonder how fast it goes? Here's your answer. You can tell that scares me. So yeah. Got some more hair for you to demonstrate how you usually vacuum. Like you vacuum like this, not like this. Demonstrated. Kind of stinks. Might have to buy some vacuum fresheners. This vacuum. SupraLite. You can lift this up with your pinky, but this is the end of the video. Please subscribe. And if you like and comment and subscribe, I'll feature you in my next video. Goodbye.